Big changes are on the horizon for Alfa Romeo fans. The all-new 2026 Alfa Romeo Stelvio is officially headed to the US. The next-generation version of the luxury SUV will begin arriving at dealerships in 2026, replacing the current model that's been in production since 2017. Until then, both the existing Stelvio and its sedan sibling, the Giulia, will remain available throughout the 2026 calendar year. This confirmation comes after months of speculation and a leaked internal memo hinting at the end of gasoline-powered production by mid-2025. However, Alfa Romeo North America has since clarified that both the Stelvio and Giulia, equipped with their 2.0-liter gasoline engines, will continue to be sold through the end of 2026. But the real story is what's coming next. The next-gen Stelvio, and eventually the new Giulia, will ride on Stellantis' new STLA large platform, a flexible architecture designed to support hybrid and all-electric drivetrains. This marks a bold shift for Alfa Romeo as the brand gears up for a more electrified future without sacrificing its signature Italian flair. Production of the new Stelvio for North America will kick off in 2026, followed by the redesigned Giulia soon after. Both vehicles will incorporate STLA Brain, a cutting-edge software and electronic system designed to enhance performance, connectivity, and driving intelligence. Recently spotted in spy photos, a camouflaged prototype of the new Stelvio hints at a completely reimagined design. While official styling details are still under wraps, Alfa Romeo CEO Santoficilli has confirmed that the SUV will be revealed in full by late 2025. As for the Giulia, it's expected to break cover sometime in 2026, possibly reinvented as a sleek fastback-style crossover to appeal to a broader audience. Visually, the upcoming Stelvio and Giulia are expected to adopt design cues from the newly launched Alfa Romeo Jr., ushering in a more modern, futuristic look while preserving the brand's iconic sporty DNA. When they hit the streets, the next-gen Stelvio and Giulia will take on a mix of gas-powered and electric rivals. Expect stiff competition from BMW's X3 and 3 Series, Mercedes-Benz, Audi, and new EV contenders like the BMW Neue Klasse Y3 and iX3. Alfa Romeo's strategy is clear: embrace electrification while staying true to its roots in performance and design. Whether you're drawn to the final chapter of its gas-powered era or eager to see what the electric future holds, the upcoming Stelvio and Giulia are set to redefine Alfa Romeo's presence in the U.S. luxury market. Thanks for watching.